We are in دستگاه راستپنجگاه and دستگاه راستپنجگاه has lots of beautiful gusheh that has specific character or personality. One of them would be gusheh Zange Shotor. We are going just to start Rastpanjgah with tuning of C, F, C. So be careful about these second strings and all the notation here would be changed, would be transformed to one note lower. Okay? These special melodies belong to this دستگاه. You don't have it in other دستگاه. Fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa. Chapras. With crescendo. And then Zange Shotor, do, ra, rast. So far we had C interval 2F, that was the range. Fa, sol, sol, la, si, do, ras, jam, re, do, si, la. One note less. One step lower. Another specific melody in Rastpanjgah would be C, la, sol, fa. Furud. C, la, sol, fa. So we had this beautiful specific melody that is going just to be used in دستگاه راستپنجگاه and in this gusheh Zange Shotor. Let's just listen to it. Let's learn Naghmeh, the other very beautiful gusheh لا سی دو، ره دو سی، دو سی لا، سی لا سول. So relax. So la si, do si la, si la sol, la sol fa. You can use this beautiful melody for your improvisation. La si do. Cross jab. Do si. La si do, do si do, do si do, do si do. Re do si do. So la si. کنده‌کاری. فرود سی سی لا سول سی سی لا سول. Another Gusheh called Panjgah. It has a quarter tone, so this is not Rastpanjgah as usual. So a quarter tone is coming. So whenever you are in Rastpanjgah, that you have everything is natural except sometimes E flat and also B flat, but a quarter tone you are in Gusheh Panjgah. Do si do la. After Panjgah, you don't have E flat. Fa, mi bekar, re. فرود این رازپنجگاه. Usual furud. So with Panjgah, with Gusheh Panjgah, with a quarter tone, we are going to go to Sepehr, and then that melody is coming to the station like this. With La natural. Usual furud. Panjgah has a quarter tone. It's going to go to Gusheh Sepehr to bring Gusheh Panjgah to دستگاه Rastpanjgah.